Hi, I am Cesar Castillo and I am your missionary pastor from Ilocos Norte.
Hi, I'm John Dexter Acuña and I'm your missionary pastor here sa San Jose Occidental, Mindoro.
Hi, my name is Princess Principe and I am the campus missionary of Wairac, Cebu.
Hi, I'm Roldan Sanusi, and I'm your missionary pastor from Cabancalan, Negros Occidental.
Yes, hello, I'm John.
I'm Jen.
I'm Hadassah.
And this is Mariam. And we are
Your
Family Missionary here in Dubai.
Ilocos Norte is home to the Mariano Marcos State University, also known as MMSU, a major state university in this region.
Ang Occidental Mindoro ay nabansagan bilang brownout capital ng Pilipinas. Pero hindi lang yun. They are full of lights, no? Pagdating po sa agriculture din. And known to their peaceful, shy, but friendly environment.
The province of Cebu is located in the Central Visayas region of the Philippines. This Queen City of the South is the major center of commerce, trade, and industry in the Visayas and Mindanao region. That is why big companies and major universities are located here.
Ang Cabancalan City ay sentro ng ekonomiya sa Southern Negros. Kilala kami sa paborito niyong chicken inasal, asukal, at magagandang tanawin.
Okay, ang Dubai, unang-una, hindi bansa. Siya ay isa lamang sa 7 Emirates ng UAE. Okay? And so far, ang bansang ito ay everyday hindi nawawala ng mga expats o mga ibang lahi na dumarating dito sa bansang ito, specifically sa Dubai, araw-araw. At isa yan sa dahilan kung kaya ang ating bishop ay nagkaroon ng vision na mag-reach out ng ating mga kababayan dito sa Dubai.
This year, January 26, 2024, my family and I were sent out to carry out our mission here in Ilocos. And by the grace of God, in February 2024, we have managed to establish connections and build new support groups inside and outside the MMSU campus. In March 2024, we managed to become part of the Ilocos Norte Youth Division Council, and by the grace of God, we are elected as the director of the Council on Economic Empowerment. We also become part of the Council for Education and the Council for Health.
In our first year here at Occidental Mindoro, we already launched Youth on the Rock organization. And sa ngayon, may sarili na kaming venue to gather and held our Sunday worship celebration.
We started to conquer major universities here in Cebu such as Southwestern University and University of Cebu. And finally, we have a support group inside their campus.
Last year, Wairac Christian Assembly visited us and had our very first life retreat. Everything is new to us. We studied the process at paunti-unti na naming na-embrace ang proseso. As we move forward, campuses have been given proposals and started to create our new support group. Madamo gid nga salamat.
2018 October tayo dumating dito sa Dubai kasama po ang buong Valencia family at tayo ay nag-start na mag-join, mag-observe ng iba't ibang mga churches and until July 2019 tayo ay nag-launch ng ating live coaching and through live coaching nakapag-reach out tayo ng 10 mga kababayan and from that time and today tayo patuloy na nag-gather ng live group no, sa Burjuman, sa Mayriga and sa May Satwa at every Sunday tayo ay may Sunday worship celebration na kung saan gather tayo ng mga kababayan natin na makahanap ng family, ng unity at ng saan sila ay ma-empower, ma-encourage na lumaban dito sa hirap at challenges ng pagiging OFW.
Daghang salamat!
Salamat, Gid!